Little bunny's back. He was up here in the yard closer to the house, and then he took off down there where he's at now, below the building. He's sitting there eating or something. He can go on it. Oh, where are you?
I'll be back.
I'm hunting wabbits. It's wabbit season.
Put a different handle on my camera. Maybe I won't be shaking as bad. Had that little short one on there a minute ago. I was messing around, and which he was moving around too, so I was trying to keep up with him. He goes down behind the building. I won't be able to see him. Just sitting around munching out. Sorry, hit the door. Yep, he gone. Sitting there watching TV. I seen that deer come through. Wish I could get closer to him. You see him right there in the brown, see? Moving around down there. Try not to wiggle around. Wish he'd come back out of the weeds. Sitting there munching out. I was sitting there watching TV and I seen him come through. Right through here. Sorry, my fingers zoomed up. He come right through here. Going this way. And that's where he stopped at. He might come back out there in the opening in a minute if he don't see me and don't scare him off. He's pretty good ways from me though. That's the one I seen run through here. It's a pretty good size one. Yeah, I'm out here still out at my mom's. It's Tuesday evening. Probably about 8 o'clock, I think. I don't know really what time it is. I know it's about 8 or a little after. I don't know if he heard something or what. And he's going on down towards the other way. I was hoping he'd come back this way. Well, I'd like to got some good video from him when he come through the back here next to the fence. I wasn't expecting it really. I was sitting there watching something on YouTube and looked up and there he went. Or she. Shh. I can't whistle. Try to make a little noise, poke its head back up. Must have heard me that time. I'm pretty good ways from it. I love the animals, the puppies, and I just enjoy taking my cameras and videoing and taking pictures of stuff. I really love it. Another rabbit. Probably the same one, actually. Hello, bunny. Hello, bunny rabbit. I'm up here to the Family Dollar store, and then this bird's sitting above the door where everybody's going in and out. Or it's a Dollar General store, sorry. What you doing up there, buddy? Hello? Never seen this before. Kinda neat. Are you alright? You want to talk about it? Need anything from the Dollar General? Some bird seed? Okay. Bye now. I mean, they mashed your head, didn't it? Huh? They got you? Mashed you. Look like you got a little brown and you might be mixed with a copperhead. I believe he is crossed with a copperhead. He's got that brown spots on him. And I got a car coming. I gotta go. Looks like she was stringing little bird feeders, drawing in a little fella there. I didn't want to show his address. There's a big red bird. They're working though. Snack time. I recorded some of that on my other phone for my video, but I wanted to get it with my other phone too. For my little wildlife video. It's a white crane. Pretty nice. Hey boys. Well, one is, but that brown one, man, I like them two that's kind of painted like that black and white and brown and white.
See a
Nice.
silhouette.
Beautiful
If
horses.
I was walking by, I wouldn't be able to tell them.
An old robin bird down there hopping around. That's what I was watching. Hello everybody. I'm still working on my little animal video. Got two rabbits down here watching right now. Haven't been able to get much video on the groundhog yet. I'd like to get him before I make the video up and put it together. Little bunny rabbits, they munching out in that grass. I didn't know there's two down there just a second ago. I was watching that one on the right that's looking toward, well, was looking towards me. Now the other one's looking this way. But I was watching the one on the right, and then I looked over and there come another one. I like rabbits, pretty. Like watching them eat and pick and watch their nose wiggle on the end when they're snipping and eating and whatever they're doing. But anyway, some more rabbit videos. I'll eventually get the groundhogs, I guess. Keep trying anyway. Catch y'all a little bit later. I thought Lucky was going to scare that rabbit off, but he didn't see him or he had to start barking at him. I mean, Lucky's sitting here with me, but he was at the back door when that rabbit started coming this way. Come here, Lucky. Don't bother him. Don't scare him off. You see his nose is wiggling now. Come here, Lucky. Don't scare the bunny. Come here. He'll eventually see him, and either the rabbit will see Lucky or Lucky will see the rabbit, one of the two. But anyways, I thought he was going to come up on the back porch. The other one went down the other way. I don't know where he got to. I love wildlife, I really do. He's sniffing for something. A little bit of the groundhog slipping out in the backyard. Trying to ease up a little bit. I just got my phone camera. I like to be able to ease up to the door a little closer. Wish I had my big camera with me where I could get zoomed in on him a little better. That's all I got with me today. Maybe I can get in a little closer to the window. He's sneaking towards the shade. That's the most video I've been able to get of him since I've been trying to watch him. He got his back to me. About as close I'm gonna be able to get to him. This camera don't have a whole lot of zoom, but it's about the best I can do today. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video. Today's Sunday. I'm out here at my mom's. I'm gonna upload it there a little bit later. It's got all my little animals on it there that I've caught out here in the last. I've not caught them. I just got them on video in the last week, I guess, something like that, roughly. I finally got a little bit of the groundhog, so guess I can finish my video and get it uploaded now. Hope everybody's doing okay, and thank y'all for watching the videos, and thanks for subscribing to the channel, and hope y'all like the videos and share them with your friends or family or anybody you want to share them with. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good one. Talk to you later. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Got a little bit of him standing up. By the time I turned the camera off, he stood up. He might do it again, I don't know. That's why I was really wanting to get him standing up, but just do what I can get him to do or catch him doing. Get him moving there. Open the door. Here you go.